Start the day with love. Spend the day with love. Fill the day with love. Find the day with love. This is the way to God. This is a beautiful quotation from Shri Satya Sai Baba. More beautiful message on this Guruji from our beautiful hostess, Mrs. Nalini Bhatt, in her beautiful segment called Prashanti.
Satyam Shivam Sundaram.
We at Prashanti offer our humblest pranams at the most sacred lotus feet of Bhagwan Sri Satya Sai Baba. Welcome brothers and sisters, this is Nalini. In the preceding Prashanti, we talked about the wonderful bhajan group started by the 10-year-old Satya. Because of the importance which Baba attached to bhajans, today we will elaborate a little more on this bhajan group. Satya had organized the bhajan group perfectly, but then perfection was the hallmark of Baba in everything he did. The bhajan group needed things like oil for the lamps, puffed rice to distribute as prasad, camphor for aarti and so on. So the boys collected a small subscription of 1 anna, which is less than a cent, from each house per month. During festivals and special occasions, they collected a little more so they could purchase Petromax light to add to the grandeur of their performance. The bhajans were sung in a professional way, complete with musical accompaniments provided by Satya's cousins and friends. Satya was the central figure of the group as the organizer, treasurer, teacher, composer and lead singer. He portrayed every role so wonderfully that the villagers would be transported to places of yore like Mathura and Vrindavan, where Lord Krishna captivated people's hearts with the pranks as a little boy and mesmerized the milkmaids or gopikas with his enchanting music on the flute. Oftentimes, Satya became the character he was playing. For example, once the group was performing the story of Prahlada, a little boy devotee of Lord Vishnu, whose father, the demon king Hiranyakashipu, hated Vishnu. He tried to kill his own son several times, but the boy was saved by the Lord. Finally, the father got so angry with his son that he shouted at him, asking him where his Lord was, and the son said, "Everywhere." The father broke open a pillar, thundering, "Is your Lord here?" And Narasimha, the man-lion avatar of Vishnu, jumped out from the pillar and killed the father. Satya played the role of Narasimha. During the play, when he jumped out of the pillar with the song describing the prowess and fierceness of Narasimha, it seemed as though Lord Narasimha manifested out of the pillar. Satya's entire body shook with anger. Watching the little boy's ferocity, the villagers were frightened. They tried to pacify him, but even experts in wrestling failed to control the boy. At last, after a number of people had offered worship and waved camphor and broken coconuts before the manifested Lord, Satya became normal and resumed the song. in yet another drama, Satya played a mythological character, Tara, who was to be executed. As always, Satya's acting was so natural that his mother, who was watching the play, rushed onto the stage to stop the execution, forgetting that it was only a play. These incidents spread the fame of Satya and his Pandari Bhajan group. People talked about God actually manifesting when this group performed. It was not just hearsay, but many had witnessed with their own eyes. A number of plays were produced at this period in order to collect funds for famine relief. Every time it was Satya's acting, singing and dancing that attracted the villagers. He not only sang in a divine voice, but danced with such mastery that the audience simply marveled. There was a rhythm in his feet, a sense of time and tune, and a lightness and loveliness they had seldom seen. To them it seemed that he never touched the earth and that he belonged to an ethereal sphere. One could see the same grace and lightness in Baba's gait in later years as he floated while giving darshan. It seemed that Baba was just gliding, not walking. Satya was so adept in acting that he played multiple roles in the same play with ease. In the drama Krishna Leela, he was Devaki the mother, the little Krishna and also the dancer in the court of King Kamsa, 3 in 1. He also played female roles which fooled the audience, who never found out it was Satya till after the play ended. For Satya was Shiva and Shakti. It was no wonder that he played both male and female roles, because he was Shiva and it was he who was Shakti as well. We will continue with interesting anecdotes in young Satya's life in next Prashanti. Thank you for watching. Jai Sai Ram.